Hello! Welcome back to Keala RD. I am Ala.
I am Kevin.
Let's start!
Before we start, check the rules. Now, the first word what you have to say in German is Streicholzschächtelchen.
Streicholzschächtelchen? What? I don't understand. She should say it slower first.
Streicholzschächtelchen.
Schächtelchen. Streicholzschächtelchen. Is it correct? Okay.
So, that was the first thing, so she have to eat now.
Streicholzschächtelchen.
No.
How can I speak like that? Just right now. Streicholzschächtelchen. Is it correct?
Was good. This name was really good.
Word number 1 for Kevin is very short and easy, unlike his. Let's try it out. Fro.
Can you repeat it, please?
First try it fast, it's not the first attempt.
Furor.
Okay, let's try it slow. Furor.
Furor.
Take one. Attempt number 2. Furor.
Furor.
No. It should be roar, not ro. Attempt number 3, last attempt. Furor.
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 Let's count it as his first word. Okay, 1 point.
Now we come with the second word in German. Well, let's see if she can make it now with that handicap. The second word is Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen?
Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen. Eichhörnchen.
Oh, it was actually really good.
Yay! Word number 2 in Russian is a little bit longer. It's сиреневенький.
What?
Сиреневенький.
Сиреневенький?
That was actually not bad. Let's try slow. First attempt.
Re.
Не.
Не.
Вень.
Ки.
Сиреневенький.
Сиреневенький.
No. One more to go. One more time. Attempt number 2.
Сиреневенький.
How does it feel? It feels good. Attempt number 3, last one for this word. Сиреневенький.
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 Why you cannot make it? Bam! Failed.
Now we come to the next word what you have to pronounce, and that is 555.
What? 555?
Nah, what's wrong? 5
5
100
100
5
5
und
und
50.
50. 555.
No, nah.
I can measure.
500?
500?
I'm so sorry. 500?
500?
500?
500? 555.
Can you repeat it, please?
555. Ready for the next word in Russian? Word number 3 in Russian is бесперспективничок.
What? What did you say?
Бесперспективничок. Let's go a little bit slower.
Yes, please.
Без
Yes.
перспектив
Perspektiv.
ничок.
Ничок.
Без перспектив ничок.
Без перспектив ничок.
Wow, that was really perfect.
Now we come with the next word. The next word is Quietscheentchen.
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 You sounds like a Quietscheentchen.
Quietscheentchen.
Can you repeat it, please?
Quietscheentchen. Quietscheentchen.
Wow. That's really good.
Word number 4 in Russian. We went so far, he already has 4 marshmallows in his mouth. Let's try this word out. 444. Can you do it?
Can
I guess he
you
can do it.
say it, please, slower?
Okay, I can say it slower. 444.
444.
Try it. Let's go.
444.
What was the last one?
4.
I think that was chili pepper. Yummy. Is it tasty? He looks like a hamster.
Okay. No, I can feel it.
Go. He has one more attempt. Let's spare him and do it fast. He actually said it very well, so I'll give him a point.
Now we are coming to the last word what she have to say in German. Are you prepared?
No. Go.
Good answer. Okay, the last word is Unabhängigkeitserklärung.
Unabhängigkeitserklärungen. Unabhängigkeitserklärung.
Unabhängigkeitserklärungen.
Erklärungen.
Okay, now say it to the people.
Unabhängigkeitserklärungen. I think that was perfect. Okay.
No. Pepper! Now comes the pepper. Eat it. Wow, she eats so much compared to me. That's okay?
Do it faster!
Okay.
Unabhängigkeitserklärungen.
Yeah, it was very good.
Yeah. Fifth word in Russian will actually mean hard to pronounce. Hard to pronounce in Russian is трудно выговариваемый. Трудно
Трудно
выговариваемый.
выговариваемый.
Try.
Trudno vaju mi.
Ta-da! Number 6 into his mouth. Wow! Will he able to say anything? Let's wait. Okay, let's see. Can you make it with sticks?
I try.
Good. He can do it. He can speak.
Trudno vaju mi.
Wow! That's marshmallow power! He made it! Good job, Kevin. High five! Yeah! That's it for today! Thank you for staying with us. Hope you had a lot of fun. We sure did. That was Ala and
Kevin, subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Bye!